Today I had some fun using our L curl lashes. Everyone's always so curious about L curl because it is such a unique curl, but when it is used on the right client, it is amazing. So anyways, I had time to play with L curl today on one of our Lost Artistry lash artists, Junko, and we got to do a really fun style. So I worked with a doll eye mapping L curl lashes, and the reason why I chose to use that curl today is because Junko couldn't be a more ideal client for this look. Her natural lashes point completely straight down. Honestly, some of her lashes point so far down that they almost obstruct her view, which is crazy. So she has really straight natural lashes, which is great because it makes a lot of points of contact with the L curl shaped fans. On top of that, Junko has, as you can see from her before shots shown here, that Junko's lid, her eyelid, actually sits almost overlapping her lash line. So when clients have that overlapping lid, also known as a mono lid, when that client comes in, we want to make a plan for those clients that whatever lash that we do covers that lid. It really makes the eyes pop when we do this. So with the straight natural lashes and her mono lid, she's a great candidate for L curl. Another point on the L curl and on clients with this type of eyelid is that sometimes on the inner corner, the eyelid can kind of shoot over the lash line so much that you need longer lengths in order for the lashes to actually come out and sit over that lid. So for today, I worked with 8mm and I only used a few 8mm and then all the way into 14. And the majority of my set was done with 14mm lashes. And then close to that was 13 and 12. I moved from 8 all the way into 12 very fast, just so I could really get good coverage over that eyelid. I love the result. She did want something more dramatic. She's actually going to have a baby in a week, so she wanted to look pretty glamorous for her birth, which is awesome. But anyways, we wanted to give her a really nice set that complemented her and really stood out. I had the pleasure of working with our brand new individual length L curl pre-fans. So for a long time, we only had these in mixed trays, but now we do carry them in individual length trays as well if your clients are loving L curl, and you can also just buy certain lengths, which is great. So when it came to dimensions, for my pre-fans, I worked with all 3D. And I love 3D because you can use it on anyone. And actually, I mix dimensions within every single set because every client has so many different strengths and textures of lashes within one eye. So cool. So mixing dimensions is definitely a must. But today I worked with our 3D because any lash can handle it. She had a crazy high lash count, so no matter what, her lashes were going to look dark just by getting 100% coverage. On top of that, I worked with our 0.07 diameter volume lashes. And with this method, I could have done anywhere from 3 to 5D, 5D being my max and 3D being my smallest fans. And I really mixed them together. And Junko said that she really wanted more of like a fake strip lash type of finish, which I believe that we did accomplish today. And how I did that was, instead of working with a feathering technique where I mixed lots of lengths throughout, I just worked with the basic map. I did 13mm in one section, 14 in another, and that gives that long but almost scarce type strip lash finish. I don't know if that was the best way to explain it, but you be the judge of that. Anyhow, don't forget to stick till the end because I'm gonna put this specific lash map at the very end. And if you do choose to recreate this look, please go ahead and send us a video or a photo on Instagram at Lost Artistry Lash. Thank you so much for watching.